felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. Riding on the dizzying highs. Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday. There's Graham back there. Today we figured we'd vlog a little bit, take you guys throughout our day. I think we're going to do some more baking and plants. I figured we'd take you guys along with us. We're gonna go to Lowe's in a little bit and get some flowers because Graham built a flower box, which I will show you guys later, right outside of our kitchen window. So and right now, we're just about to make some pizzas tonight, or the pizza dough for tonight. This is the same yeast packets we've been using for our bread, for everything. We just get it at Aldi, and we just use the little recipe that comes on the back of it for pizza crust. Makes 2 pizzas. We each make our own little personal pizza. And do that now, and then we'll head to Lowe's and get our day started. 27 weeks pregnant today. I hope you guys are having a great weekend, or whenever you're watching this video, probably during the week. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Here's where we're gonna plant our plants. Graham built this out of a pallet. Got just a couple different colored flowers to go in it, so then we can look out the window and we can see all of our flowers. Here's the flowers we got. Got this reddish one, pink, light green. It's very pretty. And then we got some purple.
Finished up placing the flowers into the garden bed. Tried to space out all the different flowers we had as well as we could, but I think it turned out well. There was just enough potting soil to fill it up almost to the edge. It's good, that way the flowers weren't too deep. You can still see them from inside the window. And we also have a few flowers left. Not sure what we're going to do with them yet, but this is the final result.
So we just finished planting our plants. I'm in the nursery now, about to organize some of his clothes. Let me show you guys these little things I got from IKEA. They're drawer inserts. If I can find them again, I will link them down below for you guys. I've already got one of my packs together. I ordered like 4 of these. So let me show you guys what his drawers are looking like right now. Definitely not the finished product. I'm just cutting grass, so if you hear the lawnmower, I'm sorry. But let me show you guys his drawers. We get all of our baby shower stuff, and once we're finished buying everything, then I'll fully organize. But for now, I'm just kind of putting stuff away so it's not just laying out, and then I'll go back through and do like a full organization type video. If you guys want to see that, just let me know. Here is his dresser, all 0 to 3 months. This is all onesies, so then this is like the medium size, and these are all pants. Here I have the other couple little drawer organizers. In this back one, I just have his socks. We only have 1 pair of socks, so I'll definitely need more socks. And these are all of his mittens, just different ones. There's quite a few, some are smaller than others. Then all of these are passies. So I have a couple different ones that I haven't opened yet, just because I don't know what he's going to like, obviously. But I have that kind. I have a couple little Wubba Nubs, which these are so cute. Then back here I have some Ma'am pacifiers. Okay, up here I have sleepers. Like I said, I don't know if this is like for sure the setup I'm going to have. These are 0 to 3 months, and I believe these are newborn. Yeah, this is newborn. What they look like when they're put together. So you have 2 of the little square ones, you have 2 of the more rectangle, and then 2 of the bigger ones. Rolling these clothes and just putting them into the drawer, and then we'll figure out where I'm going to, how I'm going to organize all this stuff. Now we're just going to roll them and just put them in the drawer so they're not just sitting out onto the dresser. Of newborn onesies. I thought we had more. We have some long sleeve ones that I did not roll up because he's due in July and we live in South Georgia, so I don't think he's going to be needing newborn long sleeves like for during the day. Of course he'll sleep in a long sleeve sleeper at night. These are all the newborn onesies we have, which he may not even wear these at all. It's kind of hard to say. More 0 to 3, which I feel like 0 to 3 is more universal. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out how I want to organize this stuff, especially newborn. Yeah, if you guys have any recommendations, let me know how I can organize some of this stuff, because I don't want certain things to take up a full drawer that doesn't really need a full drawer, if that makes sense. Don't have too many sleepers for him. Don't have too many zipper sleepers. I've heard zipper sleepers are the way to go, and we only have 1, so hoping we'll get more, which I'm sure we will. But these are his 0 to 3 month sleepers. Then these are newborn sleepers, so we have 3 of those. Like I said, I will leave these little bins linked down below if you guys are interested. After Graham cuts the grass, we're gonna finish up our pizza, so I will show you guys that. And then yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Just a little day in our life, and I'll talk to you guys in a little while. It's been quite a few hours since we last talked. Graham cut the grass, and now we're about to start making our homemade pizzas. Here's what the dough is looking like now. The oven preheating right now because we pre-bake it for a few minutes and then we put our toppings on. So yeah, I'm hungry. It's already 7 o'clock.
Yep.
All he says is, yeah,
Yeah, well, I'm about to cut this pizza dough right now and then flatten it out.
So if you ever make your own homemade pizza, use a fork or a pizza docker if you have one. We actually have one coming in the mail. Ordered one on Amazon, but poke some holes in it, just kind of everywhere. And it just helps air bubbles from whenever it's baking. We ordered a pizza docker. It's just a little rolling pin that has spikes on it, and it will do all the work for us. About that much butter. And then some garlic powder. You can probably use fresh garlic if you want. We just don't have any. Then just do some oregano like that. Into the microwave. What we'll do when that's done is we'll take this little brush like this, and then we'll just brush it all over our pizzas, and then we'll pre-bake it, and then we'll put our actual toppings on. So we're doing our pizzas now, and obviously you can make your own homemade sauce if you want to be that cool, but we're just using the good old jar sauce. It's the thought that counts, guys. Cheese. Give me all the cheese. Here's mine. Graham's gonna put
Banana peppers, mushrooms, pepperonis.
You guys will have to let us know in the comments below, what have you been cooking throughout this whole quarantine? Have you been making your own pizza? Have you been baking at all? Baby likes cheese. Okay, so he's finishing up his toppings, and then we'll throw them in the oven at 400 for about 20 minutes. So I think we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because this is pretty much what they're gonna look like, just a lot more meltier and gooier. If you guys enjoyed this little day in our life of planting and baking and organizing and all that fun stuff. So we hope you'll subscribe and stick around, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.